Good morning, viewers from Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. Well, it's a lovely cool morning. The sun's out, not a cloud in the sky. And today I'm heading into the old city. Yes, inside these gates, these walled gates, is Chiang Mai Old City. And today I'm going to visit two of the biggest temples inside the city. The first one, Wat Phra Singh, and the second one, Wat Chedi Luang. There's plenty of temples inside the walled gates, but today we're going to the biggest two, and the most popular two. To get there, go through these gates, which is the most popular selfie spot in Chiang Mai. And straight on, down that road there, all the way to Wat Phra Singh. Chiang Mai is very much a traveller centre, hence all the tourist places. It's popular for elephant treks and all sorts of activities. Lots of spas here in Chiang Mai. It's very popular for elephant treks, cooking classes, yoga classes. This is a rooftop bar. And yes, that's Boots the chemist. Only with that?
Elephant Thailand.
Wow.
I show you. Elephant sit down. Sawadika. This one.
Amazing. Very good.
Thank you.
You're very talented.
Thailand.
And these 3D paintings, are they paintings or these 3D pictures? Really cool. Does the camera pick it up? As you move, the picture moves. Right, I better carry on. As I say, there's temples everywhere. This guy's selling tickets to the Thai boxing. And she'll draw your portrait for you in just 5 minutes. There's another little temple here, just on the way to Wat Phra Singh. Let's just have a quick look. All covered in gold leaf. Okay, here we are at Wat Phra Singh. And after here we're going to go for some lunch, for a Thai lunch. But first we'll have a look around here. It's a beautiful temple with some quite large gardens. Wat Phra Singh.
ครับแต่ไม่ได้ส่งรถไว้มันลืมไปเลยครับเพราะมันตามไปเนี่ย
Beautiful flowers all around the entrance. Very well maintained. Right, let's go in. Got to take your shoes off.
You buy coffee for
And a beautiful Buddha at the back. Dozens of them. Okay, let's look around the grounds. Look at them. Let's have a look in here. They're so realistic. The Emerald Buddha. No, these monks are not real, but they're very realistic. So that, guys, was Wat Phra Singh, and now it's time for lunch. After lunch, it's Wat Chedi Luang. This temple costs 50 baht. Here's the guys guarding the gate. You have to pay your 50 baht here at the entrance. But it's quite a big complex. You've got a few temples. And at the back there's some ruins, and this first temple is for men only. No idea why, but this is the men only first temple. Let's take a look inside the temple. Lots of people praying in here. Plenty of tuk-tuks available. And at the back down there is the ruins. These ruins have survived an earthquake. I'm not quite sure what he's doing. Pretty sure it's not graffiti. All these Buddhas are covered in gold leaf. Just behind the ruins. There's a Buddha up there, right at the top of the temple. There's a gold Buddha.
키가 얇아서 끊었어요.
And that's the library, apparently. Strange looking building. But that, guys, is Wat Chedi Luang. So So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next video.